In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more storage in Google Workspace. Whether you're managing a growing team or simply need more space for all your files and emails, adding additional storage can be a great solution. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace on your preferred browser. If you're familiar with the interface, this should be quite straightforward. Once you're there, look for the admin console. You'll find it's usually just a click away, serving as the central hub for managing various aspects of your Google Workspace account. Now, you'll need to log in using your business email. This is important because you need administrative privileges to access and alter storage settings. Once you've logged in, keep an eye on the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, scroll through the options and look for the admin icon. Clicking on this will take you to the Google admin page. This is where all the magic happens, so to speak, as you'll find a multitude of settings available to customize. Next, head over to the storage section. You may see a link titled Go to Storage to make it easy to navigate directly there. This link is specifically for handling storage related settings, which is exactly what we need to adjust today. Inside the storage settings, locate the section that lets you manage your storage and click on Manage. This part of the interface allows you to control the amount of storage available to the users in your Workspace network. Further down, there's an option called User Storage Limit. Clicking on this will bring you to a setting where you can increase the storage allocation. It's as simple as adjusting the limits according to your current needs and how much additional storage you've decided on. After you've made your selection, don't forget to save the changes. There's a Save button typically located at the bottom or top right corner of the page, and clicking it ensures that your new storage settings are applied. And that's it. You've just added more storage to your Google Workspace account. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your organization's data needs and ensure everyone has enough space to work without interruptions. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or comments below. Until next time, carry on with your digital productivity and take care.